We're on the air with Creative Culture Collective Radio, WCCC. I'm your host, Nefertiti and the Neptunes. Call me up at 678-837-NEPHU. That's 678-837-6638. We got a caller on the line right now. You're on the radio with WCCC. Caller, what's your name and where you calling from?
Yeah. Salute. This is your boy Zaid Malik calling from New Africa on deck. Really, man, I was calling, man. I was listening to the show. I like everything y'all doing. Sounded real good, real positive, real RBG. Wanted to really know exactly what the CCC was, like what it stands for and what it means and all that.
Thanks for calling and to answer your questions, Zaid. The CCC is a Friday night open mic indicator, hosted by Nefertiti and the Neptunes, yours truly. And we really have every genre of art, from the musical to the visual to the physical, spoken word. We got monologues, bands, especially love the independent artists.
Okay. Oh, that sounds real dope. Yeah, that's very much needed in our community and whatnot. Hey, so you say you got the independent artists on deck, and I love independent artists too. I was wondering, did you have that boy Big Mill? He got this song called Black Power to go hard, man. Can I hear that?
Yes, sir. We got it on deck for you. Coming right up.
All right, salute.
This country wasn't made for a black man, so I gotta hustle, gotta grind with my black hands. I got plans to build our own black land, from the black belt to the Caribbean with black sand. Back to Africa, police will capture you if you speak of revolution, so they always after us. Peace to Matulu and Assata Shakur. Free political prisoners and prisoners of war. It's all forms of oppression. We gotta learn our lesson from Black Panthers and Mexicans. It's for our own protection to unite.
Salute! Shout out to all my outlaw RBGs out there. And speaking of RBGs, catch Big Nell at the Collective December 3rd at 8 p.m. You don't want to miss this performance. It's gonna be crazy. We got another caller on the line. Caller, what's your name and where you from?
Hey, this is Lisa from Atlanta. How you doing, Neptune?
I'm good. How you feeling?
I'm good. So what's up? Me and my girls are trying to come to the CC Collective on Friday, but I don't know how to get there. And what time does it start?
Another really good question. The Collective open mic is at Jamaica Flavor every Friday from 8 to 11. Remember this address, 2440 Wesley Chapel Road. And bring your girls, because I got them $3 drink specials till 9:30. So you don't want to be late. You want to be on time. Be on time for the $3 drink specials. Alright?
Okay. Thank you, Neptunes. But can you do me one more favor? Can you play your new song, The Cool? I love that song.
I got you coming, mama. Check this out, Neptunes. Cool from my album, The Jam Session. Go pick that up. So that about does it for our show, people. We appreciate you tuning in to WCCC. Remember to join us every Friday at Jamaica Flavor, 2440 Wesley Chapel Road at 8 for talented artists, creative expression, good vibes, good food, good drink, and a whole lot more. We're going to take one more caller before we go off the air. Caller, what's your name? You're on the air with WCCC.
Hey, this your boy Zoe Shouty from College Park. I was trying to see how much it costs to get in the collector, Shouty.
Shouty, I forgot to tell y'all, Shouty, it's free, Shouty.
Oh, real? My homeboy said how much it is to perform.
Shouty, tell your homeboy, Shouty, that it's free to perform, Shouty. It's free to perform, it's free to get in, it's free everything. Just come on in and chill with us, you know what I'm saying? We having a real nice time, real elegant, yes, cozy vibe. Jamaica Flavor, 2440 Wesley Chapel Road, Fridays at 8, starting December 3rd. So, we're going to get on out of here. If you need more information on the WCCC or the Collective, check us out at www.cccollective.blogspot.com or call us up 678-837-NEPHU. That's 678-837-6338. I'm your host, Nefertiti and the Neptunes. You've been beautiful. Tune in with WCCC next time. Peace out.
I ain't scared of jail, I ain't scared to die. I was born a rider, you can see it in my eyes. Always on some real shit, just like the homie Clyde. Ever since the age of 5, I was always taught to ride. Go to set RPG, every day, all day, that's all we see. So beat the motherfucking culture, ride on vultures. Snitches get stitches, so they rarely approach us. It's a war going on, they try to keep it on the low. Now it ain't a reason to slip, I'm letting niggas.
Creative Culture Collective, creative culture collective, creative culture collective, creative culture collective.